Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the MSI MAG 245X24 Gaming Monitor, a high-performance display designed for gamers who want smooth visuals, fast response times, and a setup that feels clean and competitive right out of the box. This monitor is built for people who care about responsiveness and consistency. Whether you're playing fast-paced competitive games, casual titles, or even using it for everyday tasks, the MAG 245FX24 positions itself as a reliable and performance-focused display that keeps up with your gameplay. If you want to grab this monitor for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the MSI MAG 245FX24 immediately gives off a clean and modern look. The design is simple and focused, with a matte black finish that fits into almost any setup without feeling distracting or overly flashy. The build quality feels solid, and the stand provides a stable base that keeps the monitor steady during use. The slim bezels also help create a more immersive viewing experience, especially if you're using multiple monitors side by side. Once you power it on, the display becomes the main highlight. This monitor is built for speed, offering a high refresh rate that makes motion look incredibly smooth and responsive. Whether you're tracking enemies in a fast-paced shooter or quickly switching between scenes in a racing or action game, the fluid motion helps you stay focused and react faster. The response time is also designed to minimize blur and ghosting, which is especially important in competitive gaming. Fast movements stay clear, and you don't get that smeared or delayed visual effect that can throw off your timing. In real-world use, this translates into a more controlled and precise experience. You're able to see what's happening clearly, which can make a noticeable difference when every second counts. Color performance is well balanced. The monitor delivers good contrast and clarity, making both dark and bright scenes easy to distinguish. While it's primarily built for performance, it still holds up well for general use like watching videos or browsing. Colors look natural, and the overall image quality feels consistent without being overly exaggerated. Another important feature is adaptive sync support. This helps reduce screen tearing and keeps your gameplay looking smooth by syncing the monitor with your system's output. The result is a cleaner and more stable visual experience, especially during fast-moving scenes where tearing can normally become distracting. Connectivity is straightforward and practical. The monitor includes the essential ports you need to connect to your gaming PC or console, making setup quick and simple without unnecessary complications. Comfort during long sessions is also something this monitor handles well. The screen size and layout make it easy to focus without constantly moving your head, and the display remains comfortable to look at even during extended use. Whether you're gaming for hours or working on everyday tasks, the experience feels stable and easy on the eyes. Another advantage is its versatility. While it's clearly built with gamers in mind, it also works well for general use, content consumption, and even light productivity. You're getting a display that doesn't limit you to just one purpose. It adapts to how you use it. When it comes to performance, consistency is key, and this monitor delivers exactly that. It doesn't try to overload you with unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on the essentials that actually improve your experience: speed, clarity, and smooth visuals. When it comes to value, the MSI MAG 245FX24 sits in a strong position. It offers the kind of performance features that competitive gamers look for without pushing into overly expensive territory. You're getting a monitor that prioritizes responsiveness and reliability, which are two of the most important factors for gaming. For players who want a smooth and dependable experience without overcomplicating their setup, this is a very solid option. Over time, what really matters is how consistent a display feels during everyday use. Smooth motion, clear visuals, and reliable performance tend to make a bigger difference than extra features that don't get used often. The MSI MAG 245FX24 focuses on delivering that consistent experience every time you turn it on. Overall, the MSI MAG 245FX24 Gaming Monitor is a well-balanced display that brings together speed, clarity, and practical design into one complete package. If you're looking for a gaming monitor that delivers smooth performance, clean visuals, and a straightforward setup, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.